Look how beautiful their colors are. I don't know if this is going to do them any justice. Look at those colors. Ooh. Male turkeys don't share their food with the girls like roosters do. Roosters would be down there going, "Oh, look at this. Come see what I have. It's so good." Not turkeys. They say, men eat first. Bros before hoes. See? They won't let them come near the food. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. What are you doing, Poochie? Get over here. What are you... He's got to go potty. He went over there to go potty. Those turkeys are just coming right back. They don't even care. Alright, for that, you guys get some more food. Him interrupting your meal like that. Oh, come on, Pooch. Come on. Come on, girls. Okay, you stay. And that's how we roll here. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. Are you ready for your treat now? All right, open the door. I'll wait till I'm closer. Okay. This is what we do. He loves these. Huh, you gonna catch it? Whoops. You wanna try again? Oops, I woke up Rylan. Okay, sit. Sit. Don't sit down. I'm going to throw it for you to catch. Well, we tried.